रागादिरोगान् सततानुसक्तान् अशेषकायः प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यरोह मतिजान् जङ्घान् यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै. Good evening all. I am really
Namaskar.
happy to see you all on time and eager to learn some new things. You have all have learned the technique and the skill of pulse diagnosis, the method I normally teach. With this method, you can learn the modulated program of understanding the pulse, the basic 5 level understanding of the pulse. Enthusiasm was extreme. I thought I will restrict the registration at 50 numbers, which I have announced it in the group too, but still people continued to register and wanted me to have them. At last, we have stopped at 68, and since morning I have denied registration to this group for almost 25 people. Now, why at all you might be feeling eagerness to learn this particular technique? Because many of you have shown your understanding of this 5 level technique for multiple diseases. I have decided that we will take one disease every time, and along with that try to solve the queries of as many participants as possible. This is probably the first ever try to conduct pulse diagnosis program in such a way. I am teaching pulse diagnosis for last 27 years, and there are many other also part of. Can I take a phone? I'm sorry, I need to talk urgently. I am really sorry. I just forgot to put the phone on silence because tomorrow my larger program, probably one of my most ambitious webinar, is on cards. For the first time in the history of India, or in the history of pulse diagnosis, a single private person organizing an international webinar where the delegates are from the across the world. Forget of delegates, the panelists are from across the world. There are pulse experts coming from all over the world, and all those technologies of pulse diagnosis as on today available for Ayurveda pulse. All the four technologies are coming together. There will be traditional pulse experts. They also will be there. And fortunately, our Honorable Secretary Sir Vaidyaraj Rajesh Koteja ji agreed to be present all the time. So the entire scenario has become more burdening to me. And the best part of it is I'm not speaking a word. I'm just organizing it, welcoming and moderating the entire scenario. This will be one of the biggest show in the history of pulse diagnosis as on today. And I'm sure that coming future, many of you will join such type of bandwagon and we can organize much, much larger programs than this. I'm really happy that the response is so enormous. I have place for 200 people, 100 for the meeting and 100 for the webinar. But webinar registration have already crossed 189. I don't know how they are going to come and see us on the webinar because it is my first time. Let us keep our fingers crossed and expect the best outcome. I will be definitely sharing the videos of every single speaker on YouTube and with sharing with you all, because you are those people who are taking an advanced program than my routine training in pulse diagnosis. My routine 6-hour training has been done for many people. I have conducted advanced courses for say around 100 people. A master training program, advanced course is of 3 days. We stay together. And then we have master trainer program, 8 days residential course, pulse diagnosis. And we have conducted almost 3 batches till now. So, and I'm sure in the moment the lockdown is over, my fellowship program will be on and I will be able to accommodate 10 people for 1 year full-time program in pulse diagnosis. Remember, this particular program where you are here right now with me is definitely not meant for basic training. I've been requesting everybody whosoever wanted to register on this course that there will not be a single point of training possible on this program. Everybody who is trained will be accommodated here and we will be discussing your queries for first half about pulse diagnosis, what you have learned, what you have started practicing, what findings you have got, and if you are unable to end up with the diagnosis, what could be the reason. So that is how you will be developing your skill sets in understanding the pulse with much, much better way. Here we are not going to revise except for the first day today, and where you can see me, I am with the full shirt, which normally I don't wear. I am not going to touch my pulse. We will be discussing amongst you and you have to show your skills, how much keen you have learned it nicely. You have shown your flaring things in the program when we are discussing. So now here I want you to show what you have found. I want you to show me what you have learned with, and then what are those problems you are facing in your practice while practicing the skill set what we have shared. That will not only improve all the participants, but it will definitely help me improve myself in more better way. I can be a more better kind of teacher with the help of you all. I'm surprised. I'm surprised for, despite of the fact that 69 people registered for this program, only 49 have joined till now. 48 only. So 47 joined. I am 48th person. Other surprise was, very other surprise was, none of the participants, not a single one, paid for one day. Everybody was so sure that it is going to help them. I don't know why they have such a belief in me. I'm really thankful to you all and grateful for that, believing in me. Not a single person paid 50 rupees just to check what this man is going to teach and how the program will really run. I am not sure how the program is going to go. It all depends on how you participate, how you are going to squeeze me, how you are going to extract from me. It all depends on your participation. Remember, it is the student who makes the teacher a teacher. It is not the teacher who makes a student. It is a student who makes a teacher a teacher. It is up to you to decide how exactly you are going through this entire program of pulse diagnosis. Let us begin. This, I have not muted anybody's mic, but make sure that there is no background mic. If there is a background sound, please don't put on your mic unless you wanted to speak. If absolutely silence is there at your background, you can always keep your mics on, speak with everybody, talk to us all. We all together will solve their queries. Remember, it is impossible in half an hour to solve every query. But you also understand this. It is not something I am telling you out of the box. But but we have made a group for this. So the request is you put every single query on the group. But then there is another tag for this. There are people from this group, they are putting queries on my personal wall. I am not unable to answer them. I cannot answer every single query on personal wall. If you have a very personal question to be asked, call me. Very simple. Talk to me. Putting WhatsApp message, I have almost 15,000 members on my WhatsApp groups. It is not possible for me to see every single message every day. But I make it sure that every morning I check every group of Nadi Pariksha. And if there are queries, I try to answer them. So let us, the blah blah is over. जितना आपको अमृत पिलाना था, ज्ञानामृत, वो मैंने दे दिया है. अब मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ. हम बात उस चीज की करना चाहते हैं जो है नाड़ी परीक्षा. ये पहले इसको हम मराठी में कहते हैं नमनाला घड़ा भरते. नमन बोले तो when any program starts, we request, invoke the god. So that is called as naman. As I did it in the morning, the moment we started with Raga, Dirogan, Satata, Anusaktan, that is my naman. In place, there is Ganpati's naman. So they put Naman is only for 2-3 minutes, and they put some oil lamp. So you cannot have a bounty of oil to be used for Naman. So that has been done. So now it is up to you to ask me queries. Let us begin with 5 levels of the pulse. What is your understanding of 5 levels of the pulse? You must volunteer fast. Yeah, please, Pooja, speak. Unmute your unmute your phone.
ओके, सो कैसे करना है वो बताना है.
आपको क्या समझ में आया है वो बताना है.
ओके, मतलब पेशेंट आता है तो उसको पहले उसका सब कुछ पूछते हैं कि कब उसने, अभी तो एक्चुअल में मैं
आपको 5 लेवल ऑफ
नहीं.
पल्स, when you have observed 5 levels of the pulse, what you understood out of it?
सर आई एम कंफ्यूज ऑफ दैट के
So if you are
अभी जो
unable,
डायग्नोसिस करना है वो
others
नाड़ी
to
के हिसाब
answer.
से. यस यस सर, my question is different one. So
Which one? Who is speaking? What is your question? But I have asked a question. Let the answer come first. Then I'll answer your question too. Who is going
okay
to
sir.
answer? What you understood out of the 5 levels in the pulse? Nobody understood anything. Then I will identify.
No, like
Please mute your phone. Who want to answer this question? Please unmute your phone and speak. Yes, Swasini, speak.
Sir, good morning.
Speak, speak. Bhairagi, you speak.
सर जी, पहले नाड़ी से दोष कौन सा वात दोष में से कौन सा दोष का दृष्टि हुआ है वो पता चलता है. पित्त दोष.
आपने सबने ये कोर्स किया है. नाड़ी के 5 लेवल में से आपको क्या मालूम पड़ता है? मैं अभी आप सोच क्या रहे हो मालूम है कि आप सोच रहे हो कि मेरे को पहले लेवल में क्या मिलता है, दूसरे लेवल में क्या मिलता है, तीसरे लेवल में क्या मिलता है, चौथे लेवल में क्या मिलता है, पांचवें लेवल में क्या मिलता है, और फिर आप उसे बता नहीं पा रहे हो. नाड़ी को हम जब देखते हैं रुग्ण को तो हमें 5 लेवल बताते हैं. हम 5 लेवल में हमें पहले लेवल में पता चलता है ग्रॉस हैपनिंग इन द बॉडी. शरीर में ओवरऑल क्या घट रहा है उसकी जानकारी हमें पहले लेवल में मिलती है.
So immediate expression we have to see, and then superficially what is there.
No, what is to be seen, you know all. Now we have been practicing it a long time now. My understanding the question is what you observe in the 5 levels. The first level tells you. So you know the name of the first level. I'm not going to tell you the name. The first level tells you about the gross happening in the body. So in which part the problem is, whether the heart is involved or not, whether there is involvement of ama or not, whether it is an acute condition or chronic condition, in which part of the body and how severe the activity is. And the most important, whether the person is coming to you is in a pathological status or a physiological status. I want to discuss some few things here. Many times it happens, you know a patient, he is suffering from certain disease for a pretty long time, 10, 15, 20 years, like a heart disease or like a diabetes, like a renal disease, arthritis, or a long-standing disease. And when you check it, you find it soft pulse, not a pricking one. And you immediately get disturbed. Why it is happening? When a patient, we are known patient to me, he is under my treatment for last 2 years. and still I am not getting the pricking pulse. So remember, my friends, very important thing. The important fact is, don't do reverse phenomena from the pulse. Don't try to identify ये डायबिटीज पेशेंट है, मैं उसका नाड़ी देखूंगा डायबिटीज का पता चलेगा। ऐसा उल्टा धंधा नहीं करना। आपको देखना है नाड़ी और उसका एनालिसिस करना है, व्हाट इट हैपन। नंबर 1। अभी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, मैं हर एक पे वॉच नहीं रख सकता। अगर आपके पीछे साउंड हो रहा है तो माइक म्यूट पे रखिएगा, और अगर साउंड नहीं है तो आप बिल्कुल माइक को ऑन रख सकते हैं, कंटिन्यूस मुझे सवाल भी पूछ सकते हैं। तो आपको देखना क्या है? आपको देखना है यहाँ पर कि आप जब नाड़ी देख रहे हो तो नाड़ी में मिलता क्या है। बात चल रही थी जब क्रॉनिक डिसीज है उसके बाद भी क्या हमें नॉर्मल नाड़ी मिल सकती है क्या? सॉफ्ट नाड़ी बिल्कुल मिल सकती है, क्योंकि एक्यूट कंडीशन में शायद नहीं मिलेगी, तो क्रॉनिक कंडीशन में डेफिनेटली मिल सकती है। क्यों मिलेगी आपको? क्योंकि वो एक जो पेशेंट पुरानी बीमारी लेकर आया है, जो पेशेंट पुरानी बीमारी का है वो कंटिन्यूअसली पैथोलॉजिकल स्टेटस में नहीं रहता है। कोई भी पेशेंट 24 hours, it has been decided that it will be into both languages, Hindi and English, because there will be certain things which will be in Hindi, there will be certain things which will be in English. No patient is always going to be in a disease condition or in a pathological state. There are certain period of time in his life where his pulse shows soft instead of pricking. Don't get panicked for that. You have to remember the pulse gives you the understanding of that particular moment. Pulse gives you the understanding of that particular moment. What is happening in that particular moment in his body? If at that point of time, if his pulse is matching with his constitutional pulse and with addition to the biological clock of doshas, it will give you a soft feeling at the pulse. And when there is active pathological condition, you will find a pricking pulse. Remember this. Then there is a second question. We are on the 5 levels, okay, and I am going to talk to you on every single point. The second point is regular and irregular. You are now very clear with irregular pulse, but sometimes you are with a cardiac patient, known case of ischemic heart disease, and still you find a regular pulse. It is very possible, unless the regularity is hampered because of the pathological changes in the entire system, you may find a regular pulse. When the system is distorted, then you find irregular pulse, which is very indicative of cardiovascular involvement. Irregular pulse is definitive, is very indicative of cardiovascular involvement. I've been telling you all people, that when you are touching your fingers to the pulse, what you observe are only the pulsations. You can never feel the pipe which is termed called as pulse as a whole. It is not possible unless there is a very severe, serious amount of atherosclerosis. That serious amount of atherosclerosis will lead to a Rajjuvat Nadi. Nadi like a rope. You will definitely feel. You will definitely feel that something is not going in a right direction. There is a definitive atherosclerotic which is of a severe kind. Third, full and empty. Pulse is never completely empty. You must remember this. The pulse is never completely empty. It is partially filled, but you feel the pulsation empty. Remember, you are feeling the pulsation, and that pulsation can go empty. You feel at that finger, you have that emptiness felt on that finger, and that is indicative of chronic diseases. Then warmness and coldness, or not warmness. I am not using the word cold. Reason is very simple. Cold pulse is indicative of death. Cold pulse is indicative of death. There is a simple phenomena, I must tell you. If you are unable to hear me, please re-log in. Get off it, re-log in, and probably you will gain the voice again. If everybody is not getting voice, please immediately inform me that you are not getting the sound to you. But if one or two people are not getting the sound, it is probably with their network and with their system, this only thing is happening. So you have to be very cautious, comfortable, and manage all those things. When you are talking, you must make sure that you are using some kind of microphone device. It can be in the form of you can use this with laptop, you can use this with your PC because it has an inbuilt mic. But then you have to put it into mic, or you can use the headphone set which is normally been used for video conferencing. So that will help you to make everything comfortable and possible. So now when you have understanding this, and then you must watch at times what you will be getting, whether the pulsation is felt at this level or this level, or it can be 2 fingers, it can be all the 3 fingers. There can be any permutation combination out of 7. So that details you the area of activity at that point of time. Area of activity at that point of time. And so that area of activity will let you know that what is happening in the body at that point of time, in which part of body. Third, last thing is intensity. Last thing is intensity. I had a question yesterday, somebody asked me, what is the measure of intensity? How you are going to say that this is strong and this is not strong? My question to all is very simple. Very, very simple, which I am repeating it. There are few people from the yesterday's batch too. They wanted to get the advanced knowledge before they complete their 5-6 hours training. So they have heard this, but rest of the people have not heard it. For them, when you go to market to buy a sweet, पेड़ा, you ask him, थोड़ा कम मीठा वाला देना या फीका मावा देना या बड़ा अच्छा मीठा मावा देना. So now this no sweetness, lower sweetness and strong sweetness, how you measure? How you measure the sweetness, Tejaswini?
Yes,
with
sir.
taste bud.
Good evening, sir. It is a subjective phenomenon. We have to judge its intensity. If there is a no any activity or very minimum, then we can grade this as a grade 0 activity. If there is some minimum activity, then we should say this as a 1+
The
activity.
question is different. When you buy mawa, you ask him, give me fika mawa. You ask him, give me peda with minimum sweetness. You give me okay sweetness, and you want something extra sweet. How do you differentiate? Or other way, sometime when you cook every day, sometime your family member says it is more spicy today than usual. Or sometimes they say you have forgotten some spices. Your salt percentage go sweet, bitter and sweetest. Oh, wonderful. How do you identify, Raminder ji? That is the question. How do you identify? There are. Yeah, Anusuya,
You-
speak.
Can I speak?
Of course, everybody has right to speak.
With the taste bud, taste bud tongue.
Now, how we are going to comply with that and objectively tell whether you feeling sweetest is really sweetest or not?
By judging it.
By judging by whom?
By our senses.
So
By
that is
comparison,
your
sir.
feeling. That is your feeling. Of
By
course you can
actually-
measure it. Of course,
Hello.
you can measure it by bricometer. There is
It's individual criteria, sir.
Hmm. It's a subjective parameter, sir.
Depend upon individual to individual.
so.
No, sir, but it happens like
My
very
question
quickly you can make out it.
my question is, when you go to a garden, you see many green colors. Every single leaf has its own set of green color of different plants. Can you differentiate them, those green shades?
By comparison. By doing comparison.
Yes.
Are you able to see the comparative difference between the multiple plants' green color?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Can you differentiate? As you said, it is a subjective phenomena, but you are able to differentiate.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes, it's by comparison, sir. By grading it.
Comparison, listen now, there is a small phenomena. What is that comparison? Because it can be objectively measured.
Yeah.
Can be objectively measured by the composition of CMYK.
Yes. Yes.
The colors can be shaded. You go to a market and he asks you, you want to have a particular shade of paint for your house. He asks you which number you want. And then he gives a mixture of that to you. When you go to a good lab, like a good pharmaceutical company, you got a bricometer. And bricometer tells you the sweetness of the item you are creating. There are heat meters also. The chilies are measured on the various heat amount, and that unit decides how much spicy it would be. It can be definitely be an objective phenomena. Pulse also can be an objectively measured. You have to use a tonometer. You have to use a tonometer. But all said and done, what I am teaching you all is an easy method of pulse diagnosis which can be done with your 3 fingertips and your brain intact without the use of any instrumentation. For that, you have to develop your subjective feeling by practice. And that is why I was telling you all, do your pulse diagnosis practice for minimum for next 20 days, at least 25 times a day. Measure all the 5 levels of your own pulse at least 25 times a day for next 20 days. That will help you. That will help you to understand. That will help you to understand the variations and variabilities in the pulse. Those who have shared their 20 times a day schedule with me have identified the variations. So if somebody else can identify, you too can. There is not much difficulty in identifying. Difficulty lies in your thought process. If you are biased, it is difficult. Then everything in the world is difficult. If you are unbiased, you start. I told you for the very first time when we started, and every batch I tell this, what is required for a good pulse diagnostician? Only thing required is confidence, belief in himself. If you are believing in yourself, then this technique is easiest possible technique for you all. Then this technique is easiest possible technique for you all. Right? So let us take an example. Write down. Immediate expression, pricking pulse, regular, full, warm, index 2+, middle 2+, and ring 2+. Index 2+, middle 2+, and ring 2+. Then superficial. Middle 3+, frog. Immediate expression, pricking, regular, full, warm, and all the 3 fingers 2+. Superficial expression, middle finger 3+, frog. Then deep, ring finger 1+, Raminder ji, this is the biggest possible mistake you are doing. You can never make a diagnosis from one level. altogether said and done, never ever try diagnosis unless you get information from all the 5 levels. How fishy it is, you will find it once I completed all those 5 levels. Deep, index 2 plus, middle 3 plus. Sabdosha, index 3, middle 2, ring 1,
Superficial, you said, then deep, and then subdosha. Okay.
that is the simple regular program. You can never do other way around. And dhatu level, you found it on middle finger. Now Raminder ji, you have to come and tell me the diagnosis. Please speak. Keep your video on.
Sir, it is Raktaj Vyadhi. Rakt Dhatu है sir involved. Saman Vayu Ranjak Pit Kledak Kaf. And Prakriti is Pit Vataj.
What happened about Sannipatik Jwar?
नहीं सर ज्वर नहीं बन रहा सर अब क्योंकि इसमें धातु रक्तज हो गई है.
Then that is how the mistake happens. इसमें सार्वदेहिक पित्त की विकृति है. There is a disease process which is happening because of pitta and pitta activity across the body, where there is involvement of your digestive fire, and there is not only digestive fire, your sandukshan of Agni has lost, and moistening of the food has been lost or disturbed. Lost, I won't use the word disturbed. And liver is activated. Where is the activity? It is in Ranjak Pitta. Where the Ranjak Pitta lies? In the liver. He has a feeling across the body. He has the feeling across the body. The involvement of dhatu is Rakta dhatu. So I think with this information, diagnosis should have happened. It can sometime lead to fever. It can also lead to fever for a small time, but fever cannot be a major symptom. Now you have to tell me the diagnosis. Tiryak Raktapitta will have bleeding. Wrong diagnosis. Raktapitta is another wrong diagnosis. Sunita ji, where is Sunita? Please speak. Shashi madam, either you or Shashi madam speak. Why you come to this diagnosis? Madam, please speak. You can unmute, Shashi madam. This is a very classical case of inflammatory condition which is happening in the liver, causing nausea and anorexia. This condition we very commonly called as hepatitis or jaundice or Kamala. Because Kamala, why Kamala? His entire body should get yellowish.
Yes, sir.
His entire body should get yellowish, and that is why there is activity found in entire body which is equal, not very severe, which is equal all where the body you have got a 2 plus. And but when you go to subdosha level, you get activity in pitta dosha. And what activity of pitta dosha is happening? It is only pitta karya is happening in pitta dosha. Now, if pitta has been increased in the pitta sthana, and which are the sthana involved?
All the sthana of the body.
No, not all the sthana of the body. The involved sthanas are amashay and yakruta. Sthana involved are amashay, grahani and yakruta. Samanvayu tells you about grahani. Cledar cough tells you about the moisturing. The nausea, when there is excessive amount of fluid in your amashay, what will happen?
Nausea, vomiting.
The nausea. It can, if this would have been instead of rakta involvement, if this would have been rasa involvement, what would have been the diagnosis? Same process. Involvement is rasa. It could have been amla pitta or jwara, sarvadehik jwara. You understand how the thing depends and how the thing change. Diagnosis of jwara is very possible idea. When you get fever can happen only by. Now let us think in another way. Now I'll give another example. Put another example. A pricking pulse. Regular. Empty. Warm. All over the body, 1 plus. Superficial level. Middle finger. 1 plus. Swan. Hip level. Ring 2 plus, middle 2 plus. Ring 2 plus, middle 2 plus. Subdosha level. It is index 1, index 3, middle 5, and ring 2. And dhatu level you find in ring finger.
So please repeat.
Patient is 10-year-old male boy. Yes, what repeat?
So dhatu level पे.
Dhatu level ring finger. Yes, Pooja. Tell me why you feel that way.
विकृति है, उसको क्रॉनिक है और आम भी है अभी, और सार्वदेहिक है। पित्त के स्थान में कफ का कार्य चालू है, तो पित्त अपना कार्य जो है ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहा है, और प्रकृति पित्त कफज है। और जो ये समान वायु जो ब्राजक पित्त है ऑल ओवर बॉडी है, और उस हिसाब से, और रस धातु इन्वॉल्व है, उस हिसाब से मैंने पांडु किया है।
अच्छा, मैंने आपको कहा, आपको इसलिए आपको रुकने का, यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर द एज ऑफ द पेशेंट।
यस सर।
नाउ यू हैव टू बी मोर स्पेसिफिक नाउ।
एज क्या है सर?
10 year boy।
अच्छा,
Why, Ankur, you feel it is heart disease? There can be two. One is Pandu, for sure.
Pandu.
One is Pandu, but second is Jirna Jwara. Of course, that also will lead.
जीर्ण ज्वर ही किया था मैंने।
आपने किया, आपने बताया नहीं।
नहीं, मैंने लिखा था, लेकिन
यहाँ पर आपको बोलने का है, लिखने का तो सब लोग एक साथ 70 लोग लिखेंगे, मैं कैसे पढ़ूंगा? मैं आपसे बात करूंगा कि पढ़ूंगा? तो आज हमने ज्वर को देखा, हमने यकृत के विकार को देखा, हमने पांडु को देखा, हमने जीर्ण ज्वर को देखा, और कौन सी चीजें नहीं हो सकती है उनको भी देखा। तो नाड़ी परीक्षा की तरफ देखने का एक नया नजरिए के साथ हमने आज फर्स्ट लेवल में क्या क्या चीजें हो सकती है उनके बारे में डिटेल में देखा। अगले सैटरडे हम दूसरे लेवल में क्या क्या चीजें हो सकती है, उसमें क्या क्या वेरिएशन हो सकती है, उनके बारे में सोचेंगे, देखेंगे। और
सर एक क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, ये तो पहले आते ही क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए, ध्यान में रखो।
सर आपने जो पहला वाला केस बताया था सर, यो तो फर्स्ट केस इन इंडेक्स फिंगर इज 3 समान वाता, यू टेल द इंटेस्टाइन मूवमेंट। सर कैन वी टेल दिस केस फॉर grahani specific?
It is because then grahani do not really show the other things. Of course, involvement of grahani is there, which I very clearly said. But that involvement of grahani in acute condition never happens as a grahani roga. Grahani roga requires a long-standing ama condition to happen. अतिसारे निवृत्ते, ध्यान में रखना, ग्रहणी की संप्राप्ति कभी भी अपने आप नहीं होती। ग्रहणी हमेशा उपद्रव के पश्चात रूप में होता है। अतिसार के निवृत्ति के बाद अगर आपने विरुद्धाहार विहार किया तो आपको ग्रहणी की निर्मिति होती है। तो इट इज ग्रहणी इज नेवर एन acute condition. The first case which I described was an acute condition. Remember, you cannot take one point. That is what I have been telling you for the entire class, and even today also I repeated it. Raminder ji started with only with 1-2 points in the superficial. She thought it's a classical case of Sannipatic Jwara. Am I right?
Yes.
But it was not. It was not. You cannot take one level, forget of 1 point. You cannot take one level or 2 levels or 3 levels together to make a diagnosis. The sthana sanshay alters the samprapti. If the dhatu level changes, your samprapti is altered. If the samdosha level changes, your sthana changes, your samprapti alters. So you cannot even go for only thing what you can understand by first 3 levels is what is his dosha situation and variation from his constitutional level. That's all. So you have to be very cautious. You cannot make judgment from 1 point. You have to judge the entire thing in entirety, togetherness. Till next Saturday. Thank you very much. We had a wonderful 1 hour together, and we'll be meeting for next 3 Saturdays. This is an experimental program. This is an experimental program.
How do you say it is anemia? You were telling in Hindi, I cannot understand.
Who said that, Pooja? Explain the madam in English. Explain it.
Yes.
Ah.
There is Vikriti and the chronic stage with arm. So I thought for that, and in superficial expression with
entirety, Pooja.
Yes, yes, sir. And yes, entire body affected, and in superficial the expression pitta sthana. Cough is in the pitta sthana. Vat cough prakriti and bhrajak pit involved. So I thought mainly in ras dhatu. So I thought it is a arm condition with this pandu.
रसदुष्टि लक्षणानि
श्लोक
बोलो रसदुष्टि लक्षण का श्लोक
Madam,
I can't remember, ma'am.
Examination here. They are not taking examination here. This is not your college. This is not your college. This is my discussion forum. We have to discuss in the language we all people understand. If you want to recite shlokas, that's very good. If you want anybody want to recite shloka, that is good. But then he or she has to explain it in the at least in the Hindi or in English. Without that, it is not possible. Without that, it is not possible to make reciting of shlokas in this group. This is simple discussion group. That is what I am saying. I am experimenting for the first time with you, with Ankur's initiative. He wanted me to discuss every day. I said every day is not possible. We'll meet weekly, and so we are meeting on weekly basis for next 4 weeks. Once this happens, after your experience and the inputs from everybody, I will definitely like to put this as an annual event. Make every morning 6 to 7 available for all those who want to know more about Pulse. And soon I'm launching a e-booklet fortnightly or monthly, which can be delivered free of cost to every member who have attended my webinars or workshops. Soon, it is in process. It may take 2 months probably, because this was in plan, but unfortunately lockdown really halted it and delayed it. So once that gets over and my designers come in the place, we'll be discussing about what is happening, when the things are going to happen, and then it will be a program which can help me to build a community who is doing the pulse diagnosis. I don't want to restrict the people. Pulse diagnosis, few people. No, every single Vaidya should be able to do pulse diagnosis, and it should be done in perfection. You are able to do it in perfection. I'm sure for that. Only thing is you are unable to get the data from the pulse. The difficulty happens is when you put your fingers, you get confused. So that confusion can only be lost if you are confident. If your confidence happens, then nothing can stop you from becoming a Nadi Vaidya. And soon, like Operation Flood was launched once upon a time by Indira Gandhi and Mr. Kurian, and we have Amul. We had Amul, and then the milk is available across every place now. Same way, I want in every corner of India at least one pulse diagnostic person per village, 5 per township, 10 for a small city, and 100 in a mega city like Mumbai. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Dhanyawad.
sir.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
See you next Saturday, 5 o'clock sharp.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Namaskar. Thank you very much.